Kia ora. In this video, we're going to have a look at the Bootstrapping single variable teaching tool. This is designed to introduce students to bootstrapping and guide them through the process of creating a bootstrap confidence interval for a single variable, for example, the median. For this video, I'm using some data from the 2026 extra data folder. This is some data on some hoiho, which are penguins. So under the teaching tools, we're going to click on Bootstrapping single variable. Now, you can choose between finding the bootstrap median or the bootstrap mean. For this video, we're just going to look at the median, but the same process applies for the mean as well. So I need to choose a numerical variable. So the variable I'm going to look at for this is the weight. What this is going to do at the top here is plot a graph of all of the hoiho and their weights. What we're going to do now is we're going to take a single bootstrap sample. Now, the way a bootstrap sample works is it randomly chooses as many points as in the original sample from the original sample, but uses replacement. So you may end up choosing the same point multiple times, or you might not choose a point at all. It then works out the median for this new sample and plots it. So let's step through that. So what we're doing here is we're choosing random points from our original data. Now I've pressed the slow button, so it's going reasonably slowly, but it's going to do this for the same number of points as we've got in our original data. So it's going to take a little while for this because we've got 100 of them. So I'm going to press fast just to speed it up and work our way through the rest of this bootstrap sample. Once it finishes the bootstrap sample, it's going to draw a box and whisker plot over it like that, work out the median, and then plot that median on the graph below. We then will go and do that another time. So I'll do another time. We'll do it fast so it doesn't take forever to do. It's going through, it's choosing those points with replacement. So some of those points will be chosen multiple times and some will be not being chosen at all. And then it comes down and it plots that median on the graph below. Now, the way the bootstrap works is we want to do this 1,000 times. So I don't want to press that button 1,000 times. So we're going to come down here and we're going to just work through them slowly. So we can see that in that middle area there, it's creating a bootstrap sample and then it's working out the median and it's plotting it on the graph below. So we've done about 60 so far. We want to get through 1,000 of them. So I'm going to speed that up. We can go medium to make it go a little bit faster, or we can go fast to get it to whiz through the rest of them. So we can see here we're starting to get a distribution of those medians down the bottom. Once it finishes doing all 1,000 bootstrap samples, what it does is it finds the middle 950 of them and creates a confidence interval. So the bottom end there for this particular bootstrap sample is 5.665, and the upper end of those middle 950 is 6.07. So that gives us a 95% confidence interval. This means we can be reasonably confident that back in our population of all hoiho, the median weight will be between 5.665 and 6.07. And that's the Bootstrapping single variable teaching tool.